McConnell, Avoki, Scioto Mills, Wenatchee and Dakota Dorning Airport. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winslow, or 8 miles south of Monroe, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, reports of damage in northern Illinois. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Dayton, Browntown, Judah and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe